turned to a last day. The past days that drive a nigga crazy in a fast pace. Said I'm the last of every few up in my generation, cause we love manifestation and they love fucking hating. The youngest in my crew surrounded by the greatness. Never been up on the plane, I'm in these trenches fighting snakes. And it's different when you taking care of your brother, spotting this to your sister and looking out for your mother. But I'm baby though and it's crazy, yo. So fuck you and that shit you take me for. Amazing growth, opportunities waiting while you laying slow. I'm trained to grow, gazing at the starlights, I was made to glow. These demons trying to steal my light, but my soul just won't let it go. Don't tell me sorry, the next part try to compare my pain. Heart on no Morion for Lil Saint, icebox in the rain. You might can slide up in these shoes, but they won't step the same. You go to sleep and you see dream, every time I blink is pain. All these niggas rapping, they ain't talking on no real shit. They talking money, sex, drugs, nigga, I some kill shit. Please don't make us kill shit, cause we can press the kill switch, but I just won't talk. Can you listen to this real shit? All these niggas rapping, they ain't talking on no real shit. They talking money, sex, drugs, nigga, I some kill shit. Please don't make us kill shit, cause we can press the kill switch, but I just won't talk. Can you listen to this real shit? Every night a struggle, every day is just a dream. We in lunch lines, I'm passing money plates around the team. See, everybody hates, so we just ball just like the NFL. I plan to make it to the top, they plan I make it to a cell. I to the grave, and the bed is before 25. I'm 26, ain't got a charge, and they got eagle eyes. They playing devils, Halloween, they put it in the skies. They vampires, I spit some light and watch it burn they minds. I'm riding around with my bands out, and you riding around with your hands out, but you acting like you gon' do something. Watch your teeth or you lose some. What you know about getting out her sack, chasing for a meal, nigga? Mama just bought one, still want 40 acres and a mule, nigga. All I know is hustle, mama talk that shit since a little nigga. Don't stop chasing your money, just watch your pal keep getting a little bigger. And all I know is that fam shit, and everybody gon' eat plenty. If nine eat and one star, you ain't never on them 10 piggies. You ever been down bad, plotting on your come up? You ever got pushed back 4 when you went 1 up? You ever got knocked down after you was standing tall? You ever posted on the gate, watching all the others ball? Open up your minds, cause I'm speaking on the pain. I remember standing in the sun, thinking about the rain. 6 feet of the pain, coming straight up out the dirt. See, it's 12 feet of tears when someone chauffeured in a hearse degree.